Have you ever looked down on a scene and thought, that looks completely different? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. So let's think about changing our perspective. A high angle looking down on your subject changes the story completely. It can make your subject feel smaller, more fragile, more vulnerable, or simply observed rather than connected with. And that shift, when it's done with purpose, can improve your visual storytelling. High angles are brilliant for storytelling, showing context, revealing patterns and shapes, and creating a sense of distance or separation. But here's the thing, from above, you stop seeing objects and you start seeing shapes. Stairs become lines, people become elements, shadows become design, and this is where your photography can start to feel more graphic, more intentional, more designed, if that makes sense. And that's exactly why drone photography has taken off. See what I did there? Anyway, so next time you're out shooting, don't think about your subject, maybe ask yourself, what does this look like from above? That one shift can completely change the feel of your image. And if you want to see how this fits into the bigger picture, check out episode 7 of the Ultimate Checklist series here, where we break this down in more detail. Remember, you're not just taking photos, you're choosing how the viewer feels. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.